welcome back to today's vlog. Today we're going to the Springs. It's like 8 o'clock, so it's really not that early in the morning. You're so dramatic. We were supposed to get up an hour ago. We're also gonna be doing a spa day. We have a spa appointment at 12.
I'm so excited.
Like an hour and a half there. We got to swim around and
So many deer.
Lots of deer.
So many deer.
The same four prancing all over the park. It was cool.
I thought the water was gonna be like freezing, right? Because in California, when it's cold outside, the water is like 20 degrees colder or more. So putting my foot into the water and having it be warm.
We're going to the spa.
I've never gotten a massage or anything, so.
I have not either.
So it's gonna be a new experience for both of us.
We just got out from our massage. It was actually like the best thing in the entire freaking world.
I have never experienced anything like that.
We're gonna head home and we'll see you guys there. We're just gonna be doing homework, so I don't know if we're actually gonna see you at home. Maybe. We'll see. I really have to pee so bad. Okay, so we made a change of plans literally on the way here, and instead of doing our homework, we booked tickets to go to the chocolate museum and make our own custom chocolate bar.
That's how you procrastinate.
We have about like 30 to 40 minutes before we have to leave to go to that tour. We're gonna do our own thing for a little while, and then we'll see you guys when we get to Chocolate Factory, I guess. Chocolate Factory. It was so cute. It was like cute. So fun. But we got our custom chocolate bars that they made. I got white chocolate, almonds, Rice Krispies, and potato chips.
Milk chocolate, almonds, and peanuts.
They gave us so many samples and then they like didn't give us water.
Oh my god, it was painful. Oh, you're just going in. Okay.
Oh.
Dude, this is gigantic.
It was like the best chocolate I've ever had in my life. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. My fingers are all chocolatey now.
We're gonna go to Foxtail and finally do our homework like we said we were going to like 3 hours ago.
Gotta be good students.
Basically. So we're gonna head out. We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to Universal, so that's very exciting. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Bye bye.